I wanted to share one of my writings today. It's, I'll read it. There are many obvious signs given to us in nature, and many not so obvious signs. The picture below is, of course, an obvious warning sign in the sky above a man-made lake in the northwest Arkansas Ozarks. The skies, the earth, the oceans hold many secrets, both good and evil, within the world of the five senses and beyond. The dark places of the earth are full of the inhabitants. The dark places of the earth are full of the habitations of cruelty. Psalm 74. The natives, of course, have always known about these dark places of the earth. They know where they are. Some of these places are stationary. Some move throughout the earth. Everywhere throughout the earth, actually. The wisest of the natives have much wisdom. Waylon Jennings once said that those who turn to evil actually hurt the whole world. That's the whole world, he said. This is hugely significant. There are ancient teachings in every tribe, country, and nation which teach us that terrible judgment will eventually come upon those who call evil good and good evil, both in the world of the five senses and beyond this world, which is blatantly obvious in both historical documents and oral history that has been passed on since time began. History has been repeating itself, both written and oral, since time began, but few, very few, pay attention. And I'll show you the picture that I put up. This is actually Bull Shoals Lake, one part of Bull Shoals Lake, which is a man-made lake in the northwest Arkansas Ozarks. Thanks for watching. Talk to you later.